Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs, starting your own business venture. You're braver than Beyoncé at a karaoke night. But before you dive headfirst into the exciting and sometimes chaotic world of entrepreneurship, let's grab our Entrepreneur Essentials kit. We're not talking screwdrivers and duct tape, although those might come in handy later. We're talking about the essential tools and resources that will turn your brilliant idea into a thriving business. So, what are these must-have tools? Don't worry, I won't hit you with a snooze fest of technical jargon. We're keeping it fun and easy to understand. Number 1, website builders. Think of these as your online store. No coding skills needed. Platforms like Wix or Squarespace let you create a beautiful website without breaking the bank. Number 2, marketing magic. Gotta spread the word about your awesome business, right? Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are your friends. But don't forget the power of email marketing. MailChimp is a great place to start. Number 3, project management ninjas. Feeling overwhelmed? Trello or Asana will help you organize your tasks, stay on track, and celebrate those sweet milestones. Number 4, financial fitness. Every entrepreneur needs a budgeting buddy. Free apps like Mint can help you track your income and expenses, so you know exactly where your money is flowing. Number 5, learning is key. Never stop learning. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer tons of online courses to help you develop new skills and stay ahead of the curve. These are just a few of the amazing tools and resources out there to help you launch your dream business. I'll leave all the links in the description. Remember, the most important tool you have is your entrepreneurial spirit. So, what are you waiting for? Like this video if you're ready to take the plunge into entrepreneurship? Comment below and tell me what exciting business idea you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. See you soon, future business rock stars.